Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into that analysis, this is my disclaimer. So read carefully. First let's move on to SGX Nifty, later onwards Nifty. So in the past week I didn't done the alternative days I did the pre-market predictions because my health is also not well, cold, and some work I got stuck into that, and I already informed that also, so apologies for that. So this week what we expecting here is only the bullish, and I'm expecting this kind of the three-way structures in a little bit bullish mode. So as per the previous low was not broken, so now as per my analysis the previous exactly did that irregular flat formation in that B wave, and one more 1 2 3 4 5 is already did in that 1 hour chart. It looks like that here the 5 is dead. Otherwise tomorrow it can be like one more high little bit this bullish action, and this is a 1 hour chart. So later onwards it could be like a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So again this will break, maybe. Otherwise if this is the end of the correction means it will took off from here and it won't break this low. So what we expecting here, it's the bigger picture, it's a triangle in that fourth wave. So still we are in the fourth wave, or the fourth wave is already got completed, and it is looking like the fifth wave is a diagonal pattern formation. So we have to wait for this to come to the conclusion. So before that, if it breaks the low, this low, so what is the next conclusion here? It's either it could be, as I informed that previous, it's a W. So this is the X, this is the Y, and again X, it could be Z. So what I did the previous week, I told this is the invalidation, and if it breaks this, there is a lot of downside movement, and I have no idea on that. But here it looks like if it breaks this low, it will took all the stop loss here, and maybe it can bounce. So 1 2 3 4 5, this is a 5-wave corrective structure, and we here also already did that same thing here, and here also it's looking like the 5 swings inside that W X Y X Z. So it could be like the what I'm previous explained here, it's if this is, if it breaks this low, and then it could be a downside, more downside. But here this could be a chances for W X Y X Z, and again it can bounce for that fifth way also. So for this I'm took it this as an equidistant channel, and it is taking a support here, but now it's already broken this, but maybe in the forward chart. So let's wait for that next week. So if it is a weekly candle, now here it's a bigger candle, right? So the next week candle, if it shoots from here, that is not considered, it is not closed below this. So we have to wait for this to again 1 2 3 4 5 swings. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 swings, and here also it's 1 2 3 4 5 swings. So everything it is making the 5 swings only here in this pattern. 1 2 3 4 5, the 5 swings is there inside. Here also 1 2 3 4 5. So why this could be a 5 swings, but we have to wait for the closing, weekly closing. If it close above this equidistant channel, then this will be also valid for that the end of the fourth wave, and it could be that fifth wave can start. Otherwise, if it is not broken this low, then there is a chances for making a triangle or it could be irregular flat, or it could be the fifth wave. If it is the end of the fourth wave, it could be a diagonal, ending diagonal for that this Roman letter fifth. So it's now it is in conclusion is anything is possible, but we have to wait for the weekly close. So that is my view in SGX Nifty. So if you look for that Nifty also, that same pattern remains same. So WXYX, so that can be break this low and again it can bounce. And here it is not that equidistant channel here. One second, yeah, just we have to clone this. Let's wait for this. Yeah, the same pattern only. So here it's already broken and we are in below this channel. So let's wait for this, but before that I'm looking only for this, and I already updated my in my Telegram channel as well as in I think so I didn't done in the trading view, I think so I didn't yeah, I already did that. So wait for this, and this could be the possible I'm looking for. And there's a weekend, it's a long weekend for that US Europe because of ahead of Christmas and New Year. So volume will be low, and F and I's or more selling maybe, or it could be anything. If it is bounce and they are buying, and if it is going down they are selling. That's the problem, and you know very well. So let's wait for this for the weekly close. Then I will update the pattern and the structure formation. So hope you enjoyed this weekly weekend predictions for tomorrow, and we will see you tomorrow at the same time for that next day predictions. Thanks a lot. Have a nice wonderful weekend, and for that Christmas ahead. Bye, see you.